No silicone needed. Our mini snow guard includes our patented Perfect Seal Gasket to create a watertight installation. Constructed of 100% virgin industrial-grade polycarbonate for maximum strength. Mounting hardware included. Number 10 screws with neoprene washer included with every snow guard. The 50-pack includes 50 mini snow guards, 50 perfect seal gaskets, 150 screws. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Second time using these, they work great. I installed these about a year ago and they have held up wonderfully. Added a few more this year because they work so well.